Hello, Kenta friends. Welcome to our YouTube video where we will explore 3 of the best iOS lock screen applications for Android devices to enhance the lock screen experience on your Android device. Lock screen iOS 17. Lock screen iOS 17 is a lock screen application designed to provide an experience similar to using the lock screen on an iPhone with iOS 17. This application offers various attractive features, such as more interactive notifications, quick controls for the camera, music, and other settings. In addition, users can also customize the background or wallpaper on their lock screen according to their preferences. With its elegant and stylish appearance, lock screen iOS 17 can provide a premium and modern feel to your Android device. iNotify Lock Screen. iNotify. Lock Screen is a lock screen application designed to provide a lock screen experience similar to the iOS operating system. This application displays notifications in a style similar to iOS, allowing users to easily access notifications and other important information directly from their lock screen. In addition, iNotify Lock Screen also offers various options for customizing the lock screen appearance according to user preferences, including theme selection, wallpaper, and notification style. Lock Screen iOS 15 Style. Lock Screen iOS 15 Style is a lock screen application that utilizes the design and features of iOS 15 to bring an elegant and modern lock screen experience to Android devices. This application offers quick controls for various features such as the camera, music, and settings, allowing users to easily access their favorite apps directly from the lock screen. Additionally, Lock Screen iOS 15 Style provides a variety of cool and stylish wallpaper options in line with iOS 15 aesthetics, allowing users to customize their lock screen appearance to suit their preferences. And that wraps up our overview of the top iOS lock screen applications for Android. Thank you for watching.